Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures with Laine and Robert. Today I'm doing a mystery pin unboxing haul. I ordered these pins through Desperate for Disney pin sales on Facebook. I will link the group down below. These are all authentic pins. They cost less than what they do in the park, which is super nice. It took a couple weeks. I ordered these in early February. It is now February 19th. While I'm filming this, not sure when this video is going to go up, but it took a couple weeks because I live in Canada, so going through customs and stuff takes a little bit of time. I've never done a mystery pin unboxing, but I love watching these videos, and I thought I would share the pins that I got with you all. If you're new, welcome. Right now we are uploading our Disney World vlogs on Mondays. I will link that playlist down below and any of my other pin hauls down below if you're interested in those. So without further ado, I'm going to get into opening some of these boxes. I'm very excited. So just came in a package. And it's all in a bubble wrap package, which is really important. So I have the Tsum Tsum Series 5, the Magical Mystery Pins Series 8, and two of the Monsters University mystery pin collections. So I'm excited to open those. And I actually have a couple open editions, so I'm going to show you guys those at the end if you're interested in seeing those. I'm going to start with the Magical Mystery Pin Series 8, and I'm going to end with the Tsum Tsums. So it's all of the Monsters Inc. doors. Let's see if that focuses. And I have a couple of the doors already, but I need a couple more. And the door I got is, oh awesome, I got a new one. It's the surfboard door. I think this is like a Lilo and Stitch one. And it says keep out. And I'll do close-ups of all these as well. I'm super excited for the first pin that I got. That's a great start. It's a pin that you don't have already. So it's definitely going into my collection of Monsters Inc. I'm gonna open the Monsters University mystery pin box next. And these are all the characters you can get. I'm really hoping for Sully and Mike, Squishy, or Art. Those are my top choices that I really like. And these ones are blind bagged, which I'm very happy about. The first one I got is Randall, which I'm not upset about. I like Randall, he's really cute. And the other one I got is Johnny Worthington. So I'm not upset about that. I like all of the Monsters University characters. I really hope I can get Sully or Mike though. That'd be really awesome. Cross your fingers. So the next one I have, another Monsters University pin box. First one I have is, I have Don Carlton. Happy about that one. And the next one I have is Squishy. So I didn't get Mike or Sully, which is unfortunate because they are my favorite, but I can always, you know, get a couple more boxes and hope for them. But it's great that I don't have duplicates either. So So I'm really excited to add these to my Monsters Inc. collection. I love Monsters Inc. That's my favorite Pixar film. The last pack I'm opening is the Tsum Tsums Series 5, which is Pixar characters. Of course, I am hoping for Sully or Mike. That would be great. I could get a Sully or Mike. Add to my Monsters Inc. collection. I don't know if these are blind bagged. They're not blind bagged, so I'm just gonna go and pull one out and we'll see what I have. Oh, I got one, the caterpillar from Bug's Life. I'm totally blanking on his name right now, but I will put a little annotation for his name. He's super cute. I don't mind that, I love Bug's Life. The next one I'm getting is, oh, I'm getting Remy. He's really cute. Next one I'm getting is, oh goodness, I can't remember his name. What I'm getting is, oh, I'm getting Dory. She's so cute. And the last one I am getting is, I'm getting Russell. I don't mind that at all. I do have an app collection. So, all in all, I think I did pretty well for all of those mystery pins. I'm really sad that I didn't get any Sully or Mike pins, but that's okay because I got an awesome assortment. And I did get a couple open editions, like I said, so I will show you the ones that I did get. So these are obviously ones that I definitely wanted. So I ordered the grape soda pin. I've been lusting after this pin for ever. So I finally picked it up and that's gonna go in my up collection. Picked up a Mary Poppins pin and I absolutely love Mary Poppins, so she's gonna be going in my Mary Poppins collection. I think I have 3 Mary Poppins pins now, which they're not very easy to come by, so I'm excited to have some more. And the last one is Mike and Sully. So I did get Mike and Sully, but they're open edition. So they're pretty cool. And I'm excited to add those to my collection. So I got quite a few pins. I'm super excited. I love all these pins and they're gonna go into my collection. I will have, would have seen close-ups of the pins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and let me know what your favorite thing is to collect for pins, or maybe your favorite mystery box that you like to open. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.